Bright light city, gonna set my soul on fire. Got a whole lot of money that's ready to burn, so get those stakes up higher. There's 1,000 pretty women waiting out there. They're all living the devil may care.
The Sounds of Legends, an exciting new show for your venue, the ultimate tribute show featuring top tribute artists. Give your customers a new experience and fill the room with this exciting Broadway-style show featuring the music of Celine Dion, Whitney Houston, Elvis, Jerry Lee Lewis, Lady Gaga, and much more. This performance works well as a dinner show or theatrical performance and fits well with any type of venue. For more information, please call 308-234-5283 or email thesoundsoflegends.com. Why have a dark night at your venue? Fill the seats with the Sounds of Legends.
The distance and spaces between us, you have come to show